When decisions are hard, run for office before yourself. There will be challenges that test.
Be the first to present. Mary.
Smart partners. So, I am Ian. So, these are, let's welcome the grade 11 smart partners.
Isolated nations. I'm running for SSLG. And we have the great day, Jeremy.
So now we are. We answer. Ano yung mga kandidato nga nasa ako?
Kuan ka na, di ba na mag-tweet o pinatagnan na para makakuha na ninyo. It is all about the service.
Unsay yung mga pagkakot na ba school tapos
Papayos, ang value ng platform, no? This value is cleanliness.
Actually, our teachers that under the banner of Smart Park, so sa events, so sa school, sa community. So,
Estudyante. So, my name is Rochin Perales Delgado and I'm an officer. So, I am the Jiba Balao. I am a proud student of Leto Government. Work closely with our fellow officers. May not know yet everything, but
so the entire school community. I am your studying humbly as a candidate. I am running for a public information officer and updates are shared clear and may God bless us all.
salamat din sa my fellow students. Simbang sa banal running for if I elected, give students updated, promote, vote wisely again, kasi the official. Thank you.
I stand here before you now to serve and help you. Arthur Alunoche, running
Maniaga, running mass, let's go National High School. I'm running to make a change. So help everyone. I believe the students
and also my fellow students. And I'm humbly standing before everyone. My name is Gerald P. Santamina Jr. and I am running for grade 11 representation.
on to the next party list. I introduce the Bayan of the everyone. I'm Mara Florence Manyo and I'm in school activities. I'm working with classmates for the future SSLG Vice President. But it's all about the service. If I will be elected, a signatory is not just someone who writes things down. It is, and I am detail-oriented, which are, and I will always make sure that your finance auditor is not just. I will make sure all funds are used properly.
Kayo and
Representative of our school. If given opportunity, I promise to do my best to fulfill my responsibility for our school community. And I am a classmate. My name is Hannah Laban Bayo, and I am honored to be considered as isn't just about holding.
I am running to the position of SSLG representative. I stand good teacher and judges and my fellow grade 11 student. I stand.
Lalaban mo gusto kabutaran?
If you were elected as an SSLG officer, how would you balance the academic?
how do I make balancing time?
Okay.
Morning everyone, once again, good morning.
Tanggo to, alam mo? I'm sorry, kay na-late man ko ka kanina, no? 26 at Leto National High School. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Vote wisely.
Delgado. Franzuela. Caro.
Sabanal 1.